Yes.
I'm not saying you won't get damaged. I'm just saying you will minimize damage. Okay.
You are scaring me.
तो अगर मेरा कंटेंट आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, और इस तरीके से आप मुझे सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, मुझे हेल्प कर सकते हैं आगे बढ़ने के लिए। थैंक यू।
So let's talk about sports, Mega. What are your favorite
Okay.
sports?
Okay. So in terms of watching,
Playing a sport you played in your childhood days, or like at school, anything.
okay. So in terms of watching, I like to watch cricket.
Yes, we already know that. What
Yes,
else?
and sometimes hockey as well,
Hmm.
and kabaddi. I enjoy a lot.
But do you
Kabaddi.
enjoy hockey and kabaddi when it was not famous because of all these new leagues?
I don't know. I know. I mean, I know
Yes.
about. I have known about hockey because of my dad. Because in his time, hockey was a very famous sports.
It was the primary sport, like.
Yeah, it was primary sports. So I know about that. I have known about that, and yes, like we know about Dhyan Chandji very well. So it fascinates me.
It's Dhyanchand Singh, right?
Dhyan Chand
Dhyanchand Singh.
Singh.
Now, I'm
So
surprised I
okay.
remember that name.
Why?
I don't follow hockey at all, that's why.
Okay, but he is
That's
very famous personality. I mean, he's a jadugar of hockey.
is
So
he?
if you know about Elon Musk, you must know about Dhyan Chand
It's Elon
Singh.
Musk. Elon Musk.
Ellen, we cannot, when we talk about noun, so we
No, please
cannot.
don't say that. Please don't
We,
say it. This
no,
argument I
no,
used to
no,
have in my school when like it's a proper noun. I can say it however I want. Like, no, you can't.
no,
I
no.
can't call you.
You need to learn grammar. If we talk about noun, so we can use in any.
So I can call you Meja.
Yes, it's up to you. I'm okay. I'm okay. Completely okay.
Okay, fine. I'll call him Elon Musk and you can call him
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk. Yes.
Elon
Okay.
Musk.
Cool. Fine.
Yeah. So okay. So let it be because now I'm not playing hockey anymore nowadays. So I would like to say. I mean, I would like to share in my childhood memories. Like I used to play in my school days kabaddi and throwing a ball. I don't know what is exact name of that. Yes,
Throw ball.
throw ball.
Yes.
Yes.
It's literally so simple. It's right
Yeah,
there.
I feel that there is something different name for
Like you're
this.
missing the actual word. Yes, I know. I
Yes.
remember that feeling.
Yeah. And yes, that's it. Any other
Great.
question? Yeah.
So did you ever compete in these sports in school?
Yes,
Like, did you ever compete on a inter school or like any other level?
yes. We, I mean, not in district level, not at all. In between two schools. So I had participated in ball throw, and in kabaddi as well,
Throw ball.
throw ball. So yeah, we
Competed
lost.
in throw ball.
Yeah, and we lost. I should use in this way. I lost both matches.
Yes, perfect. Not losing the match. The grammar was perfect.
Okay. All right. Okay. So please tell me, what is your favorite sports?
Football. I like. Hello. I have a tattoo.
Okay, there are lots of sports.
Okay, so I watch a lot of sports. Okay, I
Okay.
have competed in school. I competed in speed skating. I had come, I think, district level. I had got a bronze medal if I'm not wrong, and I have got a medal in cycling as well. I think state in a state level race. I don't
Oh
know if that's true. No, not state, city level. Sorry. Like in Mumbai, there was a race on Worli. You heard of Worli, right?
no,
You not heard of Worli Sea where Sea Link is there. Like,
no, I don't know about that.
okay, no problem. So it's a really famous like place in Mumbai. It's one of the porshest places in Mumbai, if I can say that. Yeah. So
Okay.
there I had a 8 kilometer race and I came I think second or third in the whole city.
Okay. All right.
And about sports now, I watch a lot of football. I play football with my friends. Okay. And with
Okay.
my college, yes, football also I won a medal. In my college, I had got uh, third or fourth place in district. I don't even remember honestly right now.
Okay. So, have you ever, played in state level?
No.
Why?
I was always an experimental kid. I was never, you know how some people are like, they started playing a game when they were 5 years old and then they became professionals. I was never that person. I'm like, I'll play everything. It's okay.
Okay.
So I always wanted to
Okay.
experiment and I just always wanted to stay fit. Now I'm fat, but earlier I wanted to stay fit. So I
Okay.
just enjoyed that. I enjoyed, experimenting with new things. I have traveled a
Okay.
lot because of sports. So that's
Yeah.
fun.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. That is
So,
very. Yeah. You're saying something.
finish what you're saying.
Okay. Yeah. I was saying that that is very important part. I mean, when someone uh, play any sports, so they can interact with people across the
Yes.
world, all across the country,
Mhm.
and it builds like a social interaction, social relationships. I can
Yes.
say
You can grow your personality and improve your social skills.
social skills. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to talk about the Olympics now?
No, not not at
Why?
all.
You don't follow it, that's why.
Yeah, I don't follow it, and I don't have that knowledge about it.
But
But
that's
I would
okay.
like, yeah, I would like to talk about that sports which I really want to do in future. I mean, I
Yes.
have zeal for them.
Tell me.
So I would, sorry, I would like to participate in marathon.
Okay.
Okay. And second sport is uh, riding on okay, what is the name? I forgot.
A horse.
No, 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 no. Yeah, that is also very interesting sports.
So what are you talking about polo?
Surfing.
So oh, okay, riding a surfboard. Okay.
Yeah, surfing on waves. Okay,
Okay, just give me
so
1 second.
all right.
I want to correct something before we move on to the next thing. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Uh, you said you want to participate in marathon, right? I
Yes.
think you said that particular thing. So you can say I want to participate in marathons because that is
Marathons.
as a sport, or you can say I want to participate in a marathon. That is a challenge or a goal, right?
Okay,
So let's say you want to become a writer and you want to say that to me. So you either say my goal is to write a book, okay?
okay,
Or you can say my goal is to write books.
okay.
So what
Books.
you said is I want to participate in marathon. So I'm a little confused,
I want to
right?
participate in marathons. I should say
Yes,
like that.
yes, yes. That means you want to do it consecutively, like continuously. If you want
Okay,
to do it just once and leave it as a bucket list item, then it becomes I want to participate in a marathon. Okay?
okay, okay. All
Yeah.
right.
Sorry for the interruption. Please continue.
Yeah, so I said like I want in future I want to participate in surfing. I mean, I want to learn how to do surfing
How to
and
surf.
how to surf. But I
Yeah.
can use how to do surfing as well, I think.
Um,
How to do running, how to do learning.
I mean, would you say I want to learn how to? I mean, see, surfing is an action, right? But it's also a, a sport. So
Okay,
that is where it gets confusing. So when you say you want to learn how to surf, that makes sense. You want
okay,
to learn surfing, that makes sense, right? That is correct.
mm, okay.
So what sentence did you use?
How to do, I really want to learn how to do surfing.
Well, yeah, you don't say how to do running. We say how to run, or
How
I want
to,
to learn. I'm just giving you examples because I can't explain the technical terms to you.
No, but when we use do, like how to surf, but when I use how to do surfing, so is it correct?
You can say how to do something, how to do that thing, right? But again, I don't know the technical terms. Maybe I'll ask someone and I'll let you know. But for me,
Okay,
it just sounds better when I say, we don't say
okay.
how to do a run or how to do running, right?
So I can say like I want to do participate in surfing,
In a surfing competition or something like
like
that, you can say.
sports name is surfing,
Yes,
like skiing, sledding, surfing. So
yes.
how can I use? Please make a proper sentence. Give me a proper sentence.
There are lots of proper sentences. It's just that I can't correct your sentence for some reason because of my own lack of knowledge.
No,
But
no, it's not like that. It's okay.
um, what you can say is, I want to learn how to surf, like I said.
How to
Okay.
surf.
I want to experience surfing, or um, I want to surf once in my life. I want to surf, or I want to make it a habit that I start surfing or I learn surfing. Again, like I said, there are lots of sentences, but I
Yes,
don't know
yes,
how to
yes.
correct your sentence.
Yes. Okay, no problem. I feel that each and every time I'm habitualized with incorrect sentences.
Yes, yes. I think you have like, this is more of a foundational problem, habit. So your habits are not because of your own fault, but your habits are a little incorrect sometimes. So
Yes,
changing that is the most difficult part.
yes, 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 yes. You're right. Completely true.
Tell me about surfing then.
Surfing, for me, surfing, it it is fascinating for me. I watched many times on TV and on the different channels. So, and I am also sorry. Uh, I don't know why, but I just want to surf.
Yes, obviously it's a very visually appealing sport. Like, it's so beautiful the way they do
Yes,
something. And I've seen a lot of videos where a surfer will keep a camera on his head or on his chest, and they will go through the this. So when they're surfing on the water and the water goes over them, right?
yes, 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 yes.
So that is called a tube.
Tube.
Yeah, that structure is called a tube when they're inside the wave, technically inside the wave, right? But they're
Hmm.
still surfing.
Yes, yes,
So it's called the tube. You should Google it. Don't Google tube. Just Google, like, YouTube this actually. Beautiful moments in surfing or beautiful videos of surfing.
so
So you
the
will see
whole
this.
whole visual is called tube. The person who
Tube is basically a moment where the surfer is on the wave, and then he
okay,
goes in, and the water comes in faster than he is
okay,
surfing,
all
right? So
right,
he'll be here on the water, right? He's on the
water.
water, and the wave is here, and then he'll go in, and the wave goes over him, but he still comes out, right, of the other end.
Yes, 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 yes.
I think you must have seen it. I can't explain it
I
with my
have watched.
hands.
I have watched. Yes,
Yes.
yes. That's the reason
So,
I'm asking. The whole
so
visuals is called like tube.
yes, so no, the action is called riding the tube. So there's
Riding
surfing,
the
that
tube.
means surfing can be on top of the wave. Surfing can be, really going fast on a really big wave. But when the wave
Okay.
is over you and you are in that circle, basically, if you're a surfer, everything
Yes,
around you is water, right? And you're still going into that, it's like a tunnel, right? You're still going through it.
yes,
So
yes.
they say riding the tube.
Riding the tube. Okay.
He's really good at riding the tube.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is why I feel I can say like I just want to have that thrill experience.
It takes a
That
lot of time to get there, it takes a lot of
yes, I
skill,
know. I know.
of
I know. I
balance and
know.
judgment and whatnot. So it scares me because I have a fear of depth anyway, like deep waters. But yes, it's a beautiful, beautiful way to, experience something. And I
No,
really
I'm
wish I
very
could.
I'm very keen about that. I whenever I will get chance, I mean after this corona pandemic and whenever I will be free with my work, so I will learn and I will do that.
You should. I highly recommend it.
Okay, and I
And
will
let me
tell
know how it
maybe
goes.
I don't know. maybe after that I will be not able to
Why?
share my experience. Like you
Because
said, it is very dangerous. I mean, without
listen,
proper
if
training
you're
and
learning it, then you're going to get trained by someone and they're going to tell you how to, minimize damage.
yes.
I'm not saying you won't get damaged. I'm just saying you will minimize damage. Okay?
You are scaring me. I
No,
would say like that.
I'm a realist.
Okay, all right. But I know all everything about that, so I'm all set.